I bought the SmallRig Action camera case for my DJI Action 5, and I gotta say, I really like it. One of the coolest things I like about it is that it actually has doors all over the place for you to be able to access the different things on the camera. It's really intuitive in that way. You're able to get the camera in easy and not have to worry about stuff. However, one quick note about this guy, and this is the only thing I dislike about this. You have to take the kind of ring around the lens on the Action camera off, and then you're able to slide it in here. You click it in, boom, you can put the ring back on. There is enough room for you to put the ring back on after you get it in there. That's the only thing I disliked about it. It has the ability for the magnetic holders that kind of the Action camera comes with. You're able to use these guys on here and it's no problem. It is magnetic, so it clicks in no problem. So if you're in the market for a fantastic cage for your Action camera, this is the DJI series Action cameras. I have my Action 5 in here, and this thing works amazing. I really, really like it, and I use this for all of my stuff, and I highly recommend it. Works amazing for me.